Hi guys, this is Gallifrey Customs and welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 15th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, the two-tone chromed edition. This is an exclusive to character options online, so you can only buy it through them. And this is the screwdriver as seen in the Christmas special Joy to the World. As you can see, the box is the same standard box that we normally get. It's got this nice two-tone chromed edition, little like feature bit at the bottom. It's got a picture of the Sonic there, and then on the back it's got some more pictures of the actual Sonic. And some details about the actual Sonic screwdriver itself, and then all the legal section at the bottom. I have opened this and put it back in the box, so ignore the fact that the box looks like slightly opened. But yeah, so I'm not going to go fully into a lot of detail about it because I've already done that with the previous Sonic Screwdriver, 15th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver videos, but I'll just go over maybe the colours and then just the details that this one has briefly. But yeah, let's crack it open. So here we have it outside of the packaging, and it's really strange how you get so many different colours through different lightings. It sort of looks pink in some angles, and then it goes into sort of more an orangey colour. The camera doesn't quite pick it up as much as it does in person, but it is super cool. So it's the chrome edition of it, which is the same as the online exclusive blue one. So it's the same sort of level of chromed deco as opposed to the retail one, which is a bit more dull looking. Hard to turn them around. There we go. But yeah, so both of them have the same effects as this is the online one, and then obviously the new one. So they both flick out like that. And then the swivel in and the swivel out. They also both have the secret feature with the where you press it 15 times. I'll do it for this one first. I've done it too many times, but it should still work. Which is exactly the same as this one. Oh, didn't do it. There we go. But yeah, it is super nice, I must say. It is really hard to get the lighting to show the different colours, but it's like a weird sort of like, it goes from being like a salmon-y kind of colour to like a proper pink, but it's just the lighting just doesn't pick it up at all, which is really strange. I think a lot of people have moaned saying it doesn't look right at all, it looks orange, but honestly it doesn't look orange in person at all. It really is just the camera. But yeah, I really do like it, and the lights are just as bright as on the other version. So and then if I go back to the normal version, so yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not too much to really go into detail about because it's the same as the other Sonics, it's just a different colour. But yeah, it's really nice, and I'm hoping we get a normal pink one as well, and then eventually the like yellow version, which I've done a custom of. I don't love it, to be honest. It's the paint on it is rough as, but it would be nice to get an official version of that in the chrome style. And then whatever we end up seeing in season 2. But yeah, so that is all, folks. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment for more, and I will see you all in the next video.